Hello everyone, in this video we are discuss one person company registration. How वन पर्सन कंपनी होता क्या है, इसको कैसे रजिस्टर करते हैं, आज इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे. व्हाट इज वन पर्सन कंपनी? टू अंडरस्टैंड वन पर्सन कंपनी डेफिनेशन वी फर्स्ट नीड टू गेट इनटू द आइडेंटिटी इट क्रिएट्स. A registration provides corporate status and many benefits to the member and directors. In the case of a private company, at least two members are required, which is not the same in the case of one person company. To eliminate this drawback and allow a single person to reap the advantage of one person company, this sort of a company structure is introduced through the Companies Act 2013. One person company registration is simplified with online filing and process. What is the benefit of one person company registration? Separate legal existence. A one person company will obtain the status of a separate legal entity. Such OPC registration ensures that the entity is separate from the owners. Unlike a proprietorship firm, OPC can own the assets in its own name and enter into a contract with the parties. Lower compliance requirement. A single person company is benefits with an exemption to many compliance, unlike a private company. Compliances like holding general and board meeting etc. are not applicable to one person company. Limited liability of owners. One of the benefits of registering one person company lies in the separate legal entity of the company, where the liability and obligations are not charged over the person assets of the sole members. The liability of a member is limited to the unpaid amount of the capital subscribed by the members. Even in the case of liquidations, the person assets of the member are protected except in certain specified cases. Separate of management and ownership. Even if the one person company is owned by sole person, the owner may appoint a director owning up to responsibility to operate and run a company. The operational duty are assigned to the directors, where the member will be able to fetch profits, channeling efforts towards other businesses. However, in one person company, the shareholders holds complete control over being a stakeholder. What is the document required for online one person company registration? PAN card, identity proof, director's Aadhaar card proof, photograph, business address proof and NOC from owners, rent agreement. These are the document for require a one person company registration. Thank you. Have a nice day.